Finding the right gaming monitor can feel overwhelming, especially when you want that perfect blend of clarity and speed. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Acer KB272 27-inch FHD IPS monitor. Let's kick things off with the Acer KB272 27-inch FHD IPS monitor. Priced at $127.05, this monitor caught my attention with its 120 Hz refresh rate and 1 ms response time. If you want a smooth, high-quality gaming experience without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now, here's why this product solves your problem. The 27-inch screen delivers a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080, which means you'll get incredible visuals that make every game pop. The adaptive sync support, compatible with FreeSync, ensures that your monitor syncs with your graphics card. This is crucial because it minimizes lag and screen tearing, making your gaming experience smoother. And with a 120 Hz refresh rate, you can enjoy fast-paced action without those annoying stutters. Plus, the 1 ms response time helps eliminate ghosting, which is a game changer when things get intense on screen. Now, some people complained about the brightness being a bit low at 250 nits. Here's the thing though, for most casual gamers, this isn't a deal breaker. It still performs great in well-lit rooms, but if you're gaming in bright sunlight, you might want to consider that. This is perfect for you if you're a casual gamer looking for a budget-friendly, high-quality monitor that delivers on performance. Skip this one if you need a monitor that performs exceptionally well in bright environments. For what you're paying, the value here is impressive. Now, if the Acer's brightness issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with some extra features. Product number 2, Scepter 27-inch gaming monitor. Next up is the Scepter 27-inch gaming monitor, priced at just $120.67. What caught my attention here is the built-in speakers and 100 Hz refresh rate, making it a great all-around choice for gamers who want a simple setup. If you're looking for a monitor that combines decent performance with convenience, this is worth considering. The Scepter shines with its 100 Hz refresh rate, which makes movement on screen much smoother compared to standard 60 Hz monitors. This feature is essential for gaming, especially in fast-paced titles where every second counts. The 1 millisecond response time also helps in minimizing lag and blurring. Plus, the 100% sRGB coverage ensures that colors are vivid and accurate, enhancing your overall gaming experience. However, a few users mentioned that the built-in speakers aren't the best quality. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about gaming, you probably have a good pair of headphones or speakers anyway, so this shouldn't deter you from considering this monitor. This is perfect for you if you want a solid gaming monitor with additional features like integrated speakers. Skip this one if you value high-end audio quality as part of your gaming experience. Overall, it offers solid performance for its price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a curved display. Product number 3, Scepter Curved 24-inch. Coming in at number 3 is the Scepter Curved 24-inch gaming monitor, priced at $114.32. The curved design caught my eye, as it can offer a more immersive experience. If you're looking for something that wraps around your vision, this is worth taking a look at. The 1080p resolution on this monitor gives you clear images, while the R1500 curvature brings a more engaging experience. You get the benefit of 98% sRGB color coverage, meaning the colors on this monitor are vibrant and true to life. It has HDMI and VGA inputs, so you can easily connect to your gaming systems. Plus, the built-in speakers are a nice touch for those who prefer not to use headphones. That said, some users did point out the limited height adjustment options. Here's the thing though. If you don't need a highly adjustable monitor, this won't be a big issue. it still has tilt capabilities, so you can find a comfortable angle. This is perfect for you if you want an immersive gaming experience with vibrant colors. Skip this if you need extensive height adjustability. For the price, it's a solid option for those who enjoy curved displays. Now, if you've been looking for something a bit more advanced, the next monitor on our list takes performance to the next level. Product number 4. AOC C27G4ZH 27-inch curved gaming monitor. At number 4, we have the AOC C27G4ZH 27-inch curved gaming monitor, which comes at a higher price of $221.93, but packs a punch in performance. The specs here are impressive, and if you're serious about gaming, this is worth a serious look. With a refresh rate of 280 Hz and a lightning-fast 0.3 ms response time, this monitor is built for competitive gaming. You can expect unparalleled smoothness and precision, which is key for those split-second decisions in intense games. The 1500R curvature makes it immersive, and HDR readiness provides vibrant visuals with excellent contrast. Plus, the ergonomic design allows for tilt, swivel, and height adjustments, accommodating different setups and preferences. However, some users found the price to be on the higher side compared to other options. But here's the thing, if you're looking for top-tier performance and you're a serious gamer, the extra cost can be justified with the superior specs. This is perfect for you if you're a competitive gamer who values high refresh rates and immersive experiences. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget and just need something for casual gaming. The performance you get here is well worth the investment. Finally, if the price of the AOC seems steep, the last product on our list is a budget-friendly gem. Product number 5, Arctic Pro 22-inch. Last but not least is the Arctic Pro 22-inch monitor priced at just $83.85. This is the most budget-friendly option in our lineup, and it's great for those who need a solid monitor without spending a fortune. If you want something affordable that still delivers decent performance, this could be your pick. The Arctic Pro offers a full HD resolution of 1920 by 1080, which is standard for gaming monitors. Its 100 Hz refresh rate is impressive for the price, providing a smoother gaming experience than typical 60 Hz options. The 105% sRGB coverage means colors are lively and bright. Plus, the ultra-slim design makes it a stylish addition to your setup. But a few users reported that the build's quality felt a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily gaming and on a tight budget, the performance it delivers far outweighs the minor build quality concerns. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable monitor that still performs well for gaming. Skip this one if you need a premium build and features. For the price, it's a solid value overall. So, to recap, we've got the Acer KB272 for its smooth performance, the Scepter 27 for its built-in speakers, the Scepter Curved for its immersive design, the AOC C27G4ZH for ultimate performance, and lastly, the budget-friendly Arctic Pro. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the AOC C27G4ZH because of its incredible speed and immersive experience. But I'd recommend avoiding the Arctic Pro if you're looking for something more premium. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.